1. Victoria crowned pigeon details. A large ground-dwelling pigeon native to New Guinea. Has a beautiful lace-like blue crest, maroon breast, and red eyes. Named after Queen Victoria, and the largest extant pigeon species. Victoria crowned pigeon. The regal crowned beauty of New Guinea. Description. Explore the majestic Victoria crowned pigeon from the forests of New Guinea. Its regal blue crest, rich maroon breast and graceful stance make it one of the world's most striking birds.
Is to a bright candidates.